Selecting the size in the Puma app is a breeze. Today, I'll guide you on how to choose the right size in the Puma application. Begin by opening the Puma app. Browse through the available shoes or products and select the one you wish to purchase. Once you've chosen your desired item, such as shoes or slippers, tap on it to view more details. To select the size, simply click on the available size option. A sidebar will appear, showing all the available sizes. Choose your preferred size from the list. For example, if you want size 10, select that option. Add the selected product to your cart. You can proceed to checkout directly from the cart. Keep in mind that once the product is added to your cart, you cannot change the size directly from the cart. If you need to change the size, you'll have to go back, reselect the product, and choose the desired size again. That's all there is to it. That's how you select the size in the Puma app. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.